Well, this is Dark Dave's shop. This is Dark Dave. What we're doing is we're leaving a mall right now. And we're going on a little ride. Just me and DJ Door. I'm hoping you guys can hear this. What I've done is I have set my mic up in this helmet. And we're going to see how it works. Alright, now I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear DJ Door or not. So a lot of this is going to be test footage, and if it sounds cool, we'll keep it. If not, well, we might drop it. But I've got the mic set where it's really near the speakers, so I should be able to hear her, and you should too, because the mic's just on the other side of the leather. And it's hidden behind a leather piece so that we're not having too much wind noise. What we're doing is we're going down past where the Renaissance Festival is. It is not, of course, going right now, but it is supposed to be going this year. Didn't have anything last year.
Exactly.
Yep, our friend's little boy, Jack. He is our non-blood grandson, so we're doing all kinds of fun stuff with him, being the big brother type stuff, and taking him, showing him woodworking and all kinds of fun things, like I've taken him on the bike a couple of times. It's all fun. He does love riding on the motorcycle. Taking this particular route is it's a lot of cutbacks. It's not as windy as some places, but we'll be doing that in July. I might be doing some in June, but I know in July, well actually late July, early August, we're going to go down to Tell of Dragon, and we're going to take the trike down and go through it. I haven't been there in over 30 years, so we'll see how much it's changed. I'm hoping the road's better than it was then. I know it's more famous now. But I have had friends that ask how, the trike runs on roads like this, and hopefully you guys can see it's not bad at all. It's not quite as easy as a regular motorcycle, because you have to actually steer. But it's not super hard. It's just a little bit of upper body strength, and boom, you're gone. And this is all downhill so far. We're getting ready to go uphill a little bit. The nice thing with Maryland, it's not super hilly, and it's not super windy, but you do have both. Go up to Pennsylvania or Virginia, West Virginia if you want more. Appalachians. Below mountains. Turning towards Crownsville. If we wanted to, we could go straight towards Davidsonville. We're going off the 450 now on the Crownsville Road. The nice thing with it is on the right hand side, just after we get up here a bit, you have where the run fair is. But before there, you have all kinds of little businesses. These are all independently owned, so always support your local business. There's an American Legion post here, post number 7. We got a few people there, not bad. The Moose Lodge, 296. The Grand Poobah. Sorry, I'm not a... Right, During the Ren Fair, this road is about a 2-mile-an-hour road. It is not very fast. Alright, so if you want to go there, go early, spend the day. I always love that other riders signal that. Some people won't signal Trikes or other brands. I signal everybody. I try to let them know, hey, I'm enjoying this as much as you. Just over there is the parking, and Ren Fair is on the far side of the trees over there. I'll angle you a touch. You should be able to still see us. It's just inside those trees there is the front of the Ren Fair. When we get a little level here, you should be able to see the gate right back there where that little road goes. That's the gate and the start of the Ren Fair. They start in, I want to say August. I could be mistaken. Yeah. But we will go through there this year, and I will bring you guys along. Hopefully you enjoy it. And I know I have started putting a watermark with a subscribe button. I'm just trying to get my subscriptions up so that I get into the numbers where, you know, I start having something back from this instead of just me talking to myself, which my wife tells me I do too much.
Yep, talk to yourself all the time.
Hey, if you want advice from an expert, you ask one. Now, I know if you watch some of these from like Florida and Texas, you're going to see different foliage. Around here we have a lot of maples and pines and dogwoods. There's some boxwoods. We don't have a lot of the palm trees or the scrub brush. And we have a lot more trees, and we also have a lot more weather. I have lived in Texas. I loved it down there. Who knows, one of these days I might go back. But it's all about having some fun. And right now my fun is work, and work pays the bills, and when we retire, then we can go have even more fun. And I'd like you guys to do me a favor when you guys hear these and see them, especially if they came out good. If they come out terrible, I'm not going to post it for you guys. But if it came out good, or at least was good enough for me to post, let me know what you think of this type of ride. I don't talk a lot about a lot of the roads I'm on because I don't know all their names. I am not a native of Maryland. Yes, I live here now. And this is actually our second trip into Maryland. First one was many years ago.